got me.
Freeze, ladies. We got an 11-350, and it ain't pretty.
You found an illegal chinchilla ranch.
You're good.
Hey, sorry about breaking your stick. You know, when it's big like that, I just like to ride it rough and hard. It's a nice ride. Oh, sorry.
Give me those codes.
Oh, Jesus! Surprise!
You always fall for the bad guy.
And this guy must be really evil.
You've never had trouble finding someone?
I'm gonna teach you and your friends about pen.
Good evening, Charlie.
Madison, is that you?
Sorry, Charlie. I don't take orders from a speaker box anymore. I work for myself.
Well, your boss sucks.
This is it. You ready? Are you?
You all fine, but you're crazy.
This is hostile, y'all! I want you!
I'm Alex Mundy. I'll be your rescuer today.
They have 50 armed men.
I know, it hardly seems fair.
We could really use Bosley's help on this one.
I get to drive the race car?
Heidi, O'Malley.
Man, you ain't never heard no Black Irish.
Black
Who you
Irish.
think invented the Mac Rib, Lucky Charm, Shamrock Shake? I got sand in my butt. I can't hardly walk.